Hey, what's up everybody? I got the Mando microfighter disassembled in front of me. I'm going to try and put it together as quickly as possible while showing you guys what you need to be able to build it. So the main body here, I'm going to hold it just so you can see the pieces. I didn't take apart the one side because you're just going to match it. It's just a 1x2 plate connecting these. Snaps on. For the second part of it, we just have some 1x1s on a 1x6. Little windshield component, just a 1x2 with a jumper. And that's a little roller skate piece. Okay, and then the next part of the body, can already see it kind of taking shape. Flip it over, just have a 2x4 and a 1x2. Snaps in there. I'm gonna take a 2x4 and just leave 2 studs hanging off for the other attachment point. And again, I'm going quick so that you can watch this fast and just pause where you need to. Coming to the back half of it, you have a 2x3. I didn't just disassemble the one side. You can kind of see what you need there. I'll put the other pieces on it. Sorry if there's some little hairs on there. It's the perks of having cats. And that just snaps on. Like that. I don't think this is going to be my final design. There's still some things I want to tweak, but I wanted to get this video out so you guys can kind of make your own mods and make it how you would like it. Excuse me. This little Technic axle goes in. Here's the tail assembly. It just slides in. And then, of course, where little Grogu is going to go. Oh, you can see it's not the most stable part on the back half. And then these are obviously the same. Little fan tiles. And there's a bar that goes in the other one, so everything can connect to it. And those just snap on. And that's it.